on vacation, and we're in Destin, and we have one more day left, and Hurricane Ike has decided to join us. It's tearing up our condo area, flooding massively. It's about 6 a.m. We've got 2 more hours till high tide, and I just wanted to get a little of this on video. These waves are crashing up against the side of the parking structure, which used to be down below our beach, but it's no more. These waves just crash up the side of here. It's flooded up the guard shack, 3 feet of water, which means we're not going to be leaving anytime soon, because we all know what happens when salt water gets under a vehicle. Rust City. But this water is washing away all the way across this pool, all the way down by the guard shack down there. We still got 2 hours to see how big this thing can get. Of course, if you ask me, I've never seen waves this big. Not in Nashville, anyway. There are people in my family that can't swim. And it's funny, they seem to want to get the closest. Me being the lifeguard in the family, I'm going to go ahead and say no. Please take 4 steps back, because I'm not coming in after you. There's the mom right there trying to take some pictures. She forgot her life preserver. Very cool stuff.